In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon in Framer. If you've been looking to personalize your Framer project by updating that little icon in the browser tab, commonly known as a favicon, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to be on your workspace home within Framer. This is your main hub or dashboard where all the magic begins. Once you're in this area, take a look at the top of your screen and find the home icon. Give it a click, and this will take you to a page that neatly displays all your projects in one convenient location. Think of it as your control center for managing everything you've been working on. Now it's time to locate the specific project you're aiming to update. Next to the project's name, you'll see three little dots. This acts as a menu offering a few different options. Click on those dots and select Open Settings. This action is going to bring you to the settings page tailored specifically for that project. It might take a moment to load, so just hang tight for a second. Once you've arrived at the site settings page, focus your attention on the left-hand panel. Make sure that General is selected because that's where we're headed for the next steps. Scroll down a bit until you reach an area labeled Site Images. Here is where you can manage visual elements that represent your site, including our main focus today, the favicon. In the Site Images section, you will see options for two different themes, light and dark. Let's start by changing the light theme favicon. You should notice an Upload button appearing for this purpose. Clicking Upload will open your computer's file explorer. This is your opportunity to scour through your files and find that perfect logo you've designed for your site. Once you locate your logo file, a simple select and click on Open will upload your new icon. You'll notice that it updates almost instantly, which can be quite satisfying. The process for updating the dark theme favicon mirrors what we've just done. Simply repeat the steps you took for the light theme. Hit the Upload button, choose your logo from the File Explorer, and click Open. And just like that, your dark theme favicon is now refreshed and updated. And there you have it. That's how easily you can change your favicon in Framer. By customizing these small details, not only do you add a personal touch to your project, but you also maintain a consistent branding message across different themes. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.